my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're new here, I am Sammy Jayne. I would love for you to stick around. So feel free to hit the subscribe button and the bell button so that you can get notified when I upload. And today's video is another nail one, but it's kind of a very, very highly requested. I needed to get this out ASAP for people. This is how to remove the nails from your POOCHIEZ hand. Now, there are two videos coming. So this first video, sorry about the hair, this first video is about how you can take them off in one piece. Now, there are two different primers that you can get from my site. You can get the original POOCHIEZ primer, which this is the primer that is just super strong. It's amazing, this stuff. It's amazing. It's quite expensive and it's difficult to import to the UK, but I have it for you guys. I will be keeping to get this for you guys, so don't worry about that. So this is the bottle that it comes in. If you have it in a different bottle, don't worry. As long as you ordered it from me or you ordered it from POOCHIEZ, it will be the right stuff. The bottle may vary, especially for me because I import it and then I'm getting like whatever bottles I can get hold of for you guys. Also, this is the Mia Secret primer that you can also get from my website, and this is the one that I'm kind of talking about today. If you want to really have those nails stuck on there, you need the POOCHIEZ primer, and you're probably not going to be able to do this technique to get them off. These were stuck on with the Mia Secret ones, so these ones eventually, I haven't finished with them yet, I want to do something else on them because I just wanted to do something more blingy on them. These ones I will be removing in one piece. You will see obviously in this video how I do that. Now I just want to mention I will be having the video on how to remove them proper soak off nails, and it's fast as well. I was so excited about it because if you know me, you know I've had a nightmare with trying to get soak nails off. Soaking them off a human, soaking them off a hand, nightmare, takes hours and hours. Well, you will be seeing in the next video that it won't take that long. So yes, I'm going to talk you through it in this video, how you can take these nails off in one piece, but if you use a proper primer this probably won't work. I have tried it and I did manage to get one off, but it did cause damage. So I'll let you guys decide, but this is just a way to do it. So to do the removal that I'm doing in this video, I have actually made up a removal kit for you guys, so you can actually just buy the kit. Now, I'm going to explain to you what you need and what's in the kit. So in the kit, you will get some of these lint-free wipes. You will get your removal liquid stuff and a couple of these little applicators. You're going to see me using all these in the video. But another thing that you will need, most likely, is a dapping dish. Now, these are so cute. I have these ones. Now, I haven't included them in the kit just because I feel like everybody has, like, if you are a nail person and you do acrylic nails and things like that, you most likely have a dapping dish, probably a spare one as well. So just those little tiny glass ones is enough, like any tiny little dapping dish. So I haven't included it in the kit because the way I see it, this kit is something that you will probably just want to rebuy every time it runs out. You'll buy more. You don't want to be paying a couple of quid extra to get one of these in each time. That was my thought behind it. Now I am probably going to start stocking these just because I think they are so freaking cute. But yeah, let me know if you think that I should include a dapping dish. But like I said, if this works out for you guys, you're probably going to want to keep coming back and buying more. And you don't want to keep buying a dapping dish every time. Does that make sense? So that will be linked somewhere if I've put it on the website yet. As soon as I do, I will link it to this video. And yeah, I'm just going to get in now and show you guys how I remove the nails. This is me personally, and this is what I've come up with for you guys. And this is how I remove the nails without having to soak off. Okay guys, so you've got your hand and you're all ready to get rid of these nails. So just pop a really little bit in your dapping dish. Now just be really, really, really careful with these bottles because the lids can pop off quite easily. So don't squeeze it hard. You only need a tiny, tiny little bit. Tiny bit at a time, and you want to try and keep your applicator clean, kind of like you would when you're using your acrylic. Because if you get like if you get acrylic-y bits in with the acetone, it makes the acetone a bit weaker and it's not as strong and it won't work as well, basically. So basically, as you can see, just getting your applicator and just dabbing it down the nail, basically. Now, this removal stuff I do find to be really, really strong. It's like a really strong removal acetone thing. You want to be really, really, really careful. Now, this has been sped up, so it kind of looks like I'm being a little bit rough. But just be so, so, so careful, guys. You must make sure that literally the acetone has soaked through everything before you pull it off. I am going to show you how the damage that can be caused. Now, obviously, with me, I use these hands a lot, and I've done a lot of like experiments with them, trying different ways of removal and stuff like that. So some of my hands do have a little bit of damage on them, and I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. Please, please be so, so careful with your Poochie's hand. But if you do end up having a little bit of damage, sometimes it can happen. Sometimes while you're filing and stuff, you can end up pulling a little bit. If that happens, it's fine. Don't freak out. You can still use her. She's not ruined. It's just, you know, we don't want to damage her. So, yeah, as you can see there, they just popped off really, really easily. Now, what you will probably find is some will pop off really, really easily. And some will just be really, really annoying and you'll just be trying for ages with it. But yeah, they will come off eventually. And sometimes you might just want to leave it for a little bit just to soak down and let it soak through the glue or the, you know, the primer and the glue that's stuck together. Now, I have said if you use a proper Poochie's primer, this stuff is proper primer, especially for your Poochie's hand. You must not put it on a human. You must just use it on your hand, and it is what will stick these nails really well onto your hand. If you're someone who does a lot of filing, then the Poochie's primer is the way to go. Here, I've just used the Mia's Secret primer, which is the only other primer that I've tested a lot, and it's the only other one that will make the nails stick, but the acetone will take it off a lot easier than the Poochie's primer. I have both primers. I use both primers all the time. Different situations, I'll use a different one for a different situation. It's all going to depend on you, your preference, and what you need this specific set for, I guess. But yeah, just be as careful as you possibly can. And you want to make sure that you're not pulling the nail, literally, unless... You want to make sure there is nothing on the hand. Like, it should just come off because the acetone is breaking down like all the primer and the glue. So once you've got them all off, you can wipe her over with some acetone. You want to make sure you get all of your all of the acrylic out from the inside, because that's where you're going to stick your nail back into. Now you can just see there, I'm just showing you there the little bit of damage that you can get. But like I said, don't freak out if this happens. But this can happen when you are removing in this way. The best way to do it is to soak it off. And I'm going to have a video coming on that. But obviously, some people like to keep the nails. You can't keep them if you soak it off. So it's going to be up to you guys which way of removal you want to do. I'm just giving you some options here. And there you can see the nails are there and they're okay to just keep. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I love you so, so much. Don't forget to hit that like button and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!